You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A curious, very curious word, this one. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from the Bible, biblical words and names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. English pronunciation, British English. Deuterocanonical. Deutero. Now, the American English pronunciation, the way it's usually pronounced in the United States, is as Deuterocanonical. Deuterocanonical, with a T that sounds like a D, a flap T, for the American pronunciation, or Deuterocanonical in UK, British English. Deuterocanonical. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.